come 2023, Bola Ahmed Tinubu isn't only option that all Progressive Congress has before the 2023 general elections. Even there are three top politicians who can conveniently stop the former Lagos State governor. The race for the APC ticket will be thrown open for all interested aspirants, but any of the three politicians can easily stop the former governor of Lagos State from progressing to the real or main presidential election. Bola Tinubu will look up to the president for support. It is normal for Tinubu to do this because there is no way President Muhammadu Buhari will narrate how he struggled to become the president of Nigeria without making some references to the contribution of Bola Tinubu. If Vice President Yemi Osinbajo decides to take part in the struggle for the ticket of the All Progressive Congress, Bola Ahmed Tinubu will be stopped almost immediately. The Vice President has several opportunities over the national leader of the APC, Bola Tinubu. As far as the issue of APC ticket is concerned, the incumbent president will want his legacies to continue, and since the Vice President Osinbajo is a part of the story of the administration of Buhari, the president may just have to throw his weight behind his vice, Osinbajo. And if the president queues behind Osinbajo, several top politicians will do the same. Hence, the support of the president is enough to stop Bola Ahmed Tinubu. It will be agreed that Yemi Osinbajo wouldn't be in the current office without the unprecedented support of Bola Tinubu. Nevertheless, Osinbajo can be a prominent politician or leader of the APC to stop the former governor of the commercial hub of the country, Nigeria. The most important factor that can make Osinbajo to stop Tinubu is that he is working with the president now. The second politician that can stop the former Lagos State governor is Mr. Rochas Okorocha. The former governor of Imo State has his own political stronghold from across the country, and he can be regarded as one of the politicians who make all the Progressive Congress to stand till today. He led a large part of the All People's Grand Alliance to join the merger which formed the APC. If Okorocha decides to throw his hat into the ring, he will enjoy the support of some top Igbo politicians. He will rely on the support of the incumbent state governor, Hope Uzodinma, who will connect Mr. Okorocha to other top personalities. And if Rochas Okorocha can garner massive support from the top personalities, he will be able to stop Bola Tinubu. Even Mr. Okorocha can win the vote of northern delegates. He has taken a wise step by deciding to build an Islamic university in Katsina State. Majority of northerners will appreciate him for this kind gesture, and they may decide to vote for him. Hence, Okorocha can stop Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Yahaya Bello is a young politician who now aspires to take over from President Muhammadu Buhari. The Kogi State governor has indicated that he will contest for the ticket of the All Progressive Congress, and he has argued against the zoning formula. He can enjoy the support of the APC based on two things. When it comes to the issue of age, Yahaya Bello is far younger than Tinubu, and all the Progressive Congress may want to put age factor into consideration. The second opportunity that Mr. Bello has is that he is currently in power. As an incumbent governor, he has close relationship with other governors of the APC. Thank you for listening. But did you think these people mentioned above can stop the Jagaban of Bogu, a political strategist, a leader of the APC who has been relevant since 1999, raising people from all across the nation, from people that are of no consequential, now becoming prominent in Nigerian politics? Will Tinubu concede to these antics? Will Tinubu support any of the listed candidates if his health did not permit him to contest come 2023? Should Tinubu be a kingmaker come 2023 instead of a king? Will it be fair for Buhari another candidate in the place of Tinubu, considering the role he played in his political ambition to become the president of this nation? as far back. But in 2015, he formed an alliance, and today Buhari is the president of the nation. Maybe not, maybe yes. But what do you think? Do you think these three people mentioned can work against or stop Jagaban from becoming the president of this nation? What is your view? Thank you.